Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in, for watching, rating, and for subscribing. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. This is my first one, so let me know how it's going, if it was helpful to you guys. What you will be needing is a blow dryer, glue, bonding glue. Don't ask why I got the rubber band around there, I don't even know. Scissors. A brush like this, oil sheen, spritz, pump it up, the gold one, super hold. Okay, a comb like this, a flat iron, and I am going to be using a crimp iron. A cordless one, the ones that you stick into the little mini stoves. I have a little mini stove that I bought or whatever a couple of years ago, so that's what we'll be using. You gotta be careful when you're using these. These are really they get really hot. The handle gets even hot too, so gotta be very careful when you're using those. Alright, so this is the look. This is probably like my third time doing my hair. So, you know, I'm kind of learning as I'm going along too, and I'm just, you know, showing you guys what I know. So, if you guys like it, please rate. And, oh, by the way, I'm using 3 packs of hair. I'm using this kind of hair. It was on sale by my house. I'm using a 12-inch, a 14-inch, and a 16-inch. And what did I just say? I'm using an 18-inch, a 14-inch, and a 12-inch. Instead of buying an 18-inch and a 16 and a 14 and 12, I'm just, you know, there's a big old difference between the 18 and the 14. So what I did was, out of the 18-inch hair, I cut it down about 2 inches to make it a 16-inch length hair, right when I was getting close to finishing up the hair. So I made sure I had at least enough pieces to at least make 2 tracks of 16-inch or whatever and stuff. So yeah, so alright, get into it. See y'all later. Peace. I'm going out tonight. I can just do that, okay. And this is my finished look. I'm going out tonight, so I just wanted to show you guys how I'm looking in my little dress or whatever. I don't got no shoes on yet, but they're gold with some like rhinestones on them. So okay, so thanks for tuning in, and you guys have a great one. Bye. I washed my hair, blow dried it. The hair that I'm using is was on sale by my house. Okay, I'm using 3 packs of hair. I'm using, this is Deep Wave, 18-inch. I like my hair usually long, but a 14-inch and a 12-inch. Okay. What I'm going to do also is I'm going to put the 18-inch first, and then like leave like enough hair to at least put 3 tracks that I'm going to cut 2 inches off of to make them 16 inches or whatever. So at least 2 or 3 tracks. 3 is what I'm aiming for to make them 16 inches instead of buying 16-inch of hair. Besides, I didn't even have it, so okay. So, alright, let's get right into it. First thing you want to do, comb out your hair and everything, and then you're going to braid your hair, okay? Okay, so after you combed out your hair, what you want to do is make a part down the middle where you want your part to be in your hair, okay? I think mine is pretty even. You know, just okay. So after you make that part, you want to take out a little bit from both sides, like that. That's going to be that side. Then I'm going to take a little bit from this side. So there's about that much hair, okay? And this is the hair that you're going to straighten out at top whenever you're done. Okay, so you take this, braid it so that it gets out the way of everything else. It's also good to have knockers or a scrunchie, nearby. My hair is cut into like a bob, so after I get a perm, you guys will be able to see it more, because I haven't had a perm in a while. So then you can just braid it down so it won't get in the way. Okay, so then what you're going to do is start braiding your hair. I'm going to put one braid going like this. All around. The rest are going to be down too, but these braids on the front, they're going to be used to hold my cap down. I'm going to sew the cap going around one side, around the edges, so the cap, so the hair, so it won't, you know, fly off in the wind. So I separated my hair like this. I can make like one steady braid going around to sew the cap on my head. Okay, so you can go ahead and braid it. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be under the hair. Okay, so I braided my hair pretty much going around one time and tucked it in at the back. The rest, you're just going to braid it going down like that. You can braid them all together at the end, tie them together with the rubber band. I forgot to say that you guys are going to need a rubber band and, of course, a stocking cap, so the glue won't get all in your hair. It'll be easier to take out with the stocking cap. Okay, so just braid it going down, the sides going down. Okay, so I went on and braided all the way around. Okay, all the way going down. Got it together in a ponytail with a rubber band right here, right here. If you want to, you can sew right here. You can pull it up like this and just sew it onto together with the braid so that it can stay up. I forgot to tell you guys you need a needle and thread. Okay, so get your needle and thread and get your cap, put it on. Just like this. Okay. Alright, the thick part of the cap, which is the edges right here, the edge, that's the part that I'm going to sew on to that braid that was there, the first braid. I'm going to sew going all the way around like that, all the way around. It's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be close together. It's going to probably be like 1, 2, 3, like going a few times and